Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about convergent and divergent. So we need to do about factorization by n. Next, we need to use about ratio test. That means I will put about an equals to this one, and the second one I will put about an plus 1. That means this one will change by n plus 1 and n plus 1. This one that is about n plus 1. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Now we can use about the limit, and that is about n approach to positive infinity, and now we have the absolute value. So this one that is about an plus 1. This one that is about an. So an plus 1 that is about this one, and an that is about this one. Next, we need to know that this one that is about 2 to the power of n multiplied by number 2. So n and n we simplified, 2 to the power of n we simplified, and now we have like this. Next, we divide by n on numerator and denominator. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. When n approach to positive infinity, this one you got number 0, this one you got number 0, and we simplify and we have 1 over 2. And we know that 1 over 2 is smaller than number 1, and we can say that the series is convergent. This is the end. Thank you for watching.